Welcome to the video tutorial for posting in Discord. Now I will tell you how to use this service, publish content, view statistics and manage users of private channels. But first, I'll show you how to connect your own Discord bot to our service. A bot is the essence of Discord itself, allowing us to have our own servers and channels. If you already have a server and channel, you can skip this part of the video and use the timecode in the description to jump to the time of the posting instructions. But I advise you to watch the whole video, because it is quite possible that you will need a new server, and therefore a new bot. First of all, we go to the page of Discord application developers in the browser. Please use the link in the video description or copy the address from the screen. Okay, now we will select New Application, come up with a name for the new bot and agree to the terms of service from Discord. I will call it video_bot. Great, our bot is created. Choose an image for the bot that best reflects the theme of your posts. You can skip the bot description at the creation stage and come back to it later. Now save the changes and we go to the settings we need. Go to the Bot menu item and regenerate the token. Enable the options shown on the screen and save the changes. Now select the OAuth 2 item and go to the URL generator subitem. It should be noted here that we created the bot itself. Below we will give the bot administrator rights. This is required for content publishing and user management. Copy the generated link, which we will need in the next step of settings. Now we need to go to the Discord app, the one where you communicate in channels with other users. Let's add the server we created. For convenience, I'll call it Test and choose the same image as for the bot. Now we need to paste the previously copied link into the text field and click on it. This is how server authorization works according to Discord rules. Press the button and confirm that you are a human and not a robot. That's all. The server has been created and our video_bot is already in it. We now have almost everything we need for publishing. There is only one thing left, to view the user ID. If you are not a Discord developer, this number will be hidden for you by default. Therefore, you should choose to edit your Discord profile. Go to the Advanced menu item and enable Developer Mode. Other user IDs are now available to you, including bots. Copy the ID of your video_bot and go to the application for publications. If you are new to the application, you need to connect the bot you need from Discord. Insert the bot ID. Copy its token. For security, come up with a strong password. Copy the ID of the server hosting the bot and add it. Done. Now you can choose the desired bot from the list available in the application. In the Discord ID field, enter the ID of your profile, which will give you administrator rights, and click Start. By default, a new message page opens for you. Select the desired server from the list. In our case, the server is called Test. As you can see, there is currently only one general channel on this server, created here by default by Discord. We need to have our own channel where we invite other users. So let's create it. Click the Add Channel button. Let's choose a channel category. In Discord, these can be text and voice channels, but we'll choose text. Let's choose the type of channel. It can be public or private and we will choose public. We will return to private ones a little later. Finally, select our server and add a channel. As you can see, a new channel has been added to the selected server. Now let's publish the message. Our application allows you to make publications in several channels at once. We will select Main Channel and Recently Created. All channels selected for publication are displayed in the right part of the interface. Write a text message and select an image. And here is our post. It appeared simultaneously on both selected channels. After publication, the message editing window returns to its original appearance automatically. Please note that in addition to instant posts, you can schedule delayed posts. To do this, simply select the desired date and time. The application will send messages to channels automatically. Now let's look at the statistical information. At the bottom of the page you can see a list of all publications in each of the channels. If you select any message, you will see detailed information and the number of reactions from other users. This message has no reactions yet. Well, let's make them. both in the first and in the second channel. Let's update the link in the application. And here is our reaction. As you can see, working with the application is simple. Now let's get back to private channels in Discord. These are channels where server users cannot enter without an invitation. As an administrator, you have the right to manage private channels, invite users to them, or kick out unwanted personalities. Let's create a private text channel. This is a success, our channel is created. As you can see, there are no users here yet, so you can invite them through the app. Updating the list in the app will show how many new members have joined your server and how many are in the private channel. Now there are 2 users, the administrator, that is, you, and the bot. It is not possible to delete these users. Now just click on the names of the users you want to invite to the private channel. And we watch how these people appear already in Discord. To remove unwanted people from a private channel, simply click on their name in the user list. I hope I've explained the features of the Discord posting app in an accessible way. For any questions, you can always contact our support service at the address in the video description. Thank you for your attention and good luck.